this lesson, you will learn how to create a custom beam tag that includes additional beam parameters, including stud size and camber size. You can then use these parameters when organizing beam information for a framing schedule. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rst doc tags 02 custom beam tags. Then open the View 02 floor and let's edit the beam properties to include the new parameters. Zoom in to the steel frame of the entryway on the west side of the structure. Then click one of the W12 by 26 beams, and while pressing Ctrl, select the remaining beams of the same type. Then, from the Element Properties drop-down, select Instance Properties, and in the Instance Properties dialog, under Structural, for camber size, type C is equal to ½ inch. And for number of studs, type S1. Then click OK. Clear the selection and let's open the beam tag family. Right-click one of the W12 by 26 beam tags and click Edit Family. Then click Yes in the Revit dialog to open the family for editing. Then click the structural beam tag label, and from the label panel, click Edit Label. Let's add multiple categories to the beam label. In the Edit Label dialog, under Category Parameters, select Number of Studs and click Add Parameter. Then select Camber Size and click Add Parameter. Then select Parameter 1 and for Sample Value, type W12 by 26 and select Break. Then select Parameter 2 and for Prefix, type open bracket. Then for Sample Value, type S1 and for Suffix, type close bracket. Then select Parameter 3 and for Spaces, click the up arrow twice for a value of 3. Then for Prefix, type left parentheses. For Sample Value, type C equal to ½ inch. And for Suffix, type right parentheses. Then click OK. Let's align the beam tag. Zoom out a little bit and click the drag control for the label until the text is positioned on 2 lines as shown. Then from the Element Properties drop-down, select Instance Properties, and in the Instance Properties dialog, for Vertical Align, select Top and click OK. Then click the View tab and from the Graphics panel, click Visibility and Appearance. In the Visibility Graphic Overrides dialog, click the Annotation Categories tab and select Reference Planes and click OK. Then select the beam label text and press the up or down arrow keys to move the text until the beam type is positioned just below the horizontal reference plane as shown. Then clear the selection. Let's save the new beam tag. Click the menu browser and select Save As, Family. Then select a folder location and name the file Structural Family Tag with Camber. Then click Save, and let's load the new beam into the project. On the Family Editor panel, click Load into Project, and when the status bar reads Click Object to Tag, press Escape twice. Then select the W12 by 26 beam tag, click Change Element Type, and select Structural Framing Tag with Camber Standard. When you do, the beam tag displays the camber setting and stud size. Press Escape twice and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.